going to go through the example 3 that is perfectly worked out for us here to show you how quick and easy it is to graph a line when it is in the slope-intercept form that we like, y equals mx plus b. If it is in this form, it is literally a 5-second graph if you go quick about your x and y axis business. So the first thing you're going to do, step 1, you're going to find the slope and the y-intercept, but that is super easy to do if it is in the right form. So this number here is the slope. Now you may be hating that it's a fraction, but for slope, you actually want it to be a fraction when you graph it because we want the numerator to be a rise or an up and down movement and the denominator to be the run or side to side. So this is going to be a -2 over a 3. And again, as a fraction, it's actually perfect for a slope. The y-intercept is a +3, so the y-intercept is a +3. So just recognizing that the info we need is sitting right there in the equation is the first step. Once you know those two things, the first point you put over on the graph is the y-intercept. So this y-intercept is 3, and all that means is from the origin here, I go up 1, 2, 3. So this point right here is the first one that you would plot. So you would just put your x and y axis, put 3 little marks evenly spaced, and put your little dot up there at 3. And now to get the line, we really only need one more point. So that's where the slope comes in. This slope is the steepness of the line. So if I think of that slope as -2 over 3, what this -2 means, instead of going up 2, we're going to go down 2. And then this 3 is the run or the side-to-side movement. That means I'm going to go right 3 places since it's a +3 there. So if you look at this graph, you could go down 2 and then right 3, and that gets you right here. And that's the second point. That's really all you need. If you really wanted to, you could do that same slope movement again to get another point, and let's do it here. We could go down 2 and right 3, and that'll get us a point here. Heck, we can even do the slope the other way. Instead of down 2, I could go up 2. But to get the slope to end up being a negative, I would have to go left 3. And we can pick a point and do that. So how about this point right here? I can go from this point, I can go up 2, and then I can go left 3, and I get that point right there. All those points are on the same line, so the last step is just drawing a line that goes through those points. You technically only need 2. That's why you can graph it in like 5 seconds. Do your y-intercept, do your slope movement to get a second point, play connect the dots. It's super quick and easy.